So tell Mommy what you're doing. What are you making?
A candle castle.
Thought you were making blueberry muffins. Oh, you are? Are you doing it all by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Are you filling up those muffin pans with muffin mix?
Yeah.
Like the Muffin Man?
Yeah.
Can you sing the Muffin Man song?
Muffin Man. You know the Muffin Man. You know the Muffin Man. And then now.
Oh, okay. You're doing a good job filling those up.
Ta-da!
What? Are you done?
Yeah.
What about that one? That one's not full. And that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. Can you put a little bit more in those?
Yeah. Mama?
What?
I think I'm scared of monsters.
You think you're scared of a monster?
I wake up.
Oh, and then you woke up?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I read a story about monsters.
And then you read a story about monsters?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but monsters aren't real though.
It's scared.
You were scared?
I'm scared of the monsters.
You were scared of the monsters, but monsters aren't real. They won't really hurt you.
But monsters scares me.
But they do scare you?
Mm-hmm.
Doing a good job. Are you almost done?
Mm-hmm.
Why are we going to make muffins?
Because I'm done.
Can you put some more in that one, and that one, and that one?
This one?
Uh-huh. A little more than that.
Okay. That one too?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Let's take this big spoon out of there so you can reach everything, okay?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.